Johnny here, and we're going to do a quick tutorial on cholesterol. I have one or two questions about it. There seems to be a little bit of out-of-date information, so we're going to bring people up to speed as rapidly as we can. Well, the first thing is, what is cholesterol? Well, it's a lipidy type fat substance. What does it do? It's essential in the construction of your cells, the membrane of your cells, and you have 1 trillion of them in your bodies. Trillions. What is it? What's its other function? It's a precursor to your steroid hormones, progesterone, testosterone. It helps make them, so without it you don't have them. It helps make bile acids, which digest your food. It's involved in the synthesis of vitamin D, which is essential. Okay? It helps make other cells. Number 4, it's an anti-inflammatory. So what's going on with this good and bad cholesterol type thing going on? Well, cholesterol, as we just said, is a fat. It can't travel around in your blood, which is watery in nature. So it needs a carrier. That's called a lipoprotein. So think of it like a truck. There. Hopefully that looks like a truck. And this is a low density lipoprotein. Okay? You have 3 of them. We're only going to concentrate 2, make it simple. Now we've got one that goes the other way. That's a little bit better. This is a high density lipoprotein. And here we're going to have your liver. Liver. So, low density lipoproteins go away from your liver into your body. High density lipoproteins go back in, they recycle it. This one, they're calling bad. Now, it's not bad. If you don't have this in your diet, if you don't have any low density lipoproteins, you will die. So it can't be bad. This one they're calling good. Well, yeah, it's kind of good because you need it. In fact, they're both good. But what's going on? When this ratio is out, it means your liver is chucking more cholesterol into your body than it's bringing back. So the ratio is out. It's the ratio that's bad. Not the cholesterol. Cholesterol is cholesterol. It's not bad. It's not evil. It is what it is. Okay? If you go on a zero fat diet, your liver will start making cholesterol. Okay? So the issue is that what's going on here is one of its main functions is an anti-inflammatory. So if you've got more going out, which means you've got inflammatory in the outer regions in the tissue of your body. It's not recycling because it's trying to deal with the inflammation. Okay? Does fat give you inflammation? Sure. Some bad fats, which we call trans fats, do. Yeah? Your body doesn't recognize what a trans fat is. It gets stored in your body and causes, as your blood is flowing here, and you get one of these where blood is here, it hits here, it gets stuck, these trans fats get stuck, cholesterol goes in and tries to deal with the issue. Okay? That's when 60 years ago they opened people up and found cholesterol at the site and decided it was bad for you. But since then we know it's not bad for you. It's like the fire brigade turning up to the house that's burnt down and you blaming the fire brigade. It's trying to sort out the inflammation. It's an anti-inflammatory, you know. So foods to avoid would be pro-inflammatory foods. Yeah? High in omega-6 food, which is your breads, your pizza, your processed foods, your ice creams, the starchy, stodgy stuff. They're pro-inflammatory foods. Pro-inflammatory exercises, if this was out, would be not a great idea. Like running for long distances, because if you're running, you're not in an anti-inflammatory environment, are you? You're in a pro-inflammatory environment. Now, I'm not saying don't run, I'm just saying it could add to the cause of it. Okay, what are the foods to eat? Okay, vegetables. Vegetables that lower the acidity environment would be good to eat. Okay? Omega-3 fish oils are key because they are a natural anti-inflammatory. The westernized diet is omega-6, which is pro-inflammatory. Omega-3 is around 20 to 1 if you're in a good one. We want it to realistically be 2 to 1, which is why we're only trying to promote people to take omega-3. We tend to be in the West way high in omega-6, which is pro-inflammatory. The myriad of information out there. You know, this book was written 20 years ago. Fats that heal, fats that kill. Okay? 20 years ago. There's a new book out called The Cholesterol Con. There's another one been out a while called The Cholesterol Conspiracy. You just got to Google this stuff. Google the truth about cholesterol. Get your own information. Don't believe me. Don't believe a healthcare practitioner that tells you to go on a low-fat diet because your LDL levels are high. Because going on a low-fat diet won't do anything unless you get to the issue of why you are inflamed in the first place. And do anything I've missed, Marie?
I don't think so. I think
Cool.
that's it. People can ask some questions in the forum.
Ask questions in the forum. I'll probably do another video to answer them. But the basic, this guy is not your bad cholesterol. Take home. It's delivering cholesterol to the outer regions of your body. This one's bringing it back. If this is high, there's an issue. What we don't want to go down the road in is producing statins that stop your liver producing cholesterol. That is bad news because it's the inflammation that ends up killing you. That clears things up about cholesterol. Thanks very much. Check you later.